These were fun to
It
build.
was really easy.
Super fast. Okay, review done.
Review. I didn't mess it up.
Is it too far away?
No.
I think it's too far. Let's use the chair. Okay, we problems with light. Turn this other way. Oh, much better, much better. What's the name of this chair?
IMS.
Illness?
IMS.
Illness? I want to see how it's
By
written.
SKLUM.
Of course. Oh, there you go.
That's a SKLUM.
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 They love design.
Which we do.
As well, yeah.
We do as well.
Okay, these were fun to
It
build.
was really easy.
Super fast. Okay, review done.
Review.
Seriously,
So review time.
I'm gonna do the classic review time.
Of course we're going to.
Let's cut this. Let's just talk about it.
But it's useful to do it because we have a scale from 1 to 10. Yeah, this is gonna be 1.
Let's call this the self-explanatory review.
AKA the same review.
7 easy steps to follow.
Probably not even. I have to say it's not really.
Intuitive at first.
Not at first. Just remember.
This is the key. If you get this part wrong, step 1.
That's it, exactly. So remember to read the letters A, B, and 2 C's.
A, B, and 2 C's.
Yes.
Yeah. I
And
messed that
after
up.
C?
I messed that up. Like the
At the
first
beginning,
time.
no, I didn't, because then I checked and I saw that the hooks were like the two couples of hooks were both facing forward. So that's the thing you need to keep in mind.
Okay. On a scale from 1 to 10,
One.
where 1 is the fastest and easiest,
yeah.
and
That's
10
it.
represents hell. How are you supposed to assemble this chair?
It was a number 1. Probably took me 10 minutes, and then I became so good that it was less than 10 minutes.
How easy, not how fast. That's the second.
Sorry. So on a scale from 1 to 10, where 1 is the easiest and 10 is
Hell.
10 it's 1.
I'm gonna give you the
This
3
is 1.
for the simple reason
No.
that I'm gonna give you the 3 because if 1 would have been like first try.
And you get it in
Didn't
any
happen.
case.
I messed it up.
Okay.
So
Alright. I didn't mess it up.
yeah, but once you get it right, you can assemble
Yeah.
these chairs like in a blink of an eye.
Exactly.
In fact, for speed,
Yes, we
Where-
can give it a 1.
1 is
Fastest.
what's the fastest animal on Earth?
Let us know
You
in
know-
the comments below.
I know.
Do you know?
I know.
I don't know if you know. Is it not the jaguar?
Ruan told me.
So, is it not like a... Is it not the jaguar?
I think
Jaguar.
no. There's the fastest animal.
Is there?
Yeah. It's the peregrine falcon.
No.
Yeah, I believe it's the peregrine falcon. Wait. I have to put the passcode. Sorry, I forgot.
It's alright. Take your time.
What's the fastest animal on Earth?
Hang on.
I'm hanging. I'll tap you when I'm ready.
Toot toot.
Tap me.
Let's play a game. Okay, what's the fastest animal on Earth? I'll tap you when I'm ready.
Now mine.
The fastest flying animals while in a dive are peregrine falcons.
No!
I told you. Thank you, Ruan. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
But my Apple Watch wins.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
Oh, and should we just tell who Ruan is? I'm gonna tell. I think it's important. Ruan. Why? I just say I think it's important. Like
Your eyes
otherwise
like
we're talking
straight
about
like
Ruan.
this.
Nobody knows who
True.
Ruan
It's
is.
true.
Ruan is a dear friend of mine from South Africa. Now based in Dubai. Did I say that right?
Yes.
You want to do second take?
No, I think it's good.
Are you still talking with your thing there?
No, Oh, but the Peregrine Falcon with the top speed of about 322 kilometers per hour, like a Ferrari, basically.
Faster, probably.
Oh,
I don't know.
Then
How
why
fast-
don't they
Ask-
build
how
like? Why don't they build like Peregrine Falcons instead of cars?
Gigantic Peregrine Falcons, like on.
Like in the Never-Ending Story. Do you know the?
How fast is-
I'm telling you, like in the Never-Ending Story, where there's like the.
That's a dragon.
It's a dragon. But we're gonna have a Peregrine Falcon. Why not?
When I think of falcons, I think of World of Warcraft. You could ride one of those things. Yeah, that's
But
cool.
it's not for real.
Never know.
Please, Elon Musk, build a Peregrine Falcon instead of a car.
A flying.
A flying Peregrine Falcon.
How fast is
Why
a,
don't we do this?
How fast is a Ferrari?
Hang on. How fast is a Ferrari?
Go ahead.
Yeah, listen to me.
She's going.
Yes? How can I help?
How fast is a Ferrari?
I can't get the answer to that on watch.
Okay, all in all,
We'll let you
incredibly comfortable chairs.
Yeah.
Super light, easy
Yeah.
to carry around and move.
Yeah?
They easily fit in your backpack as well. If you
No,
want.
it doesn't.
They do fit, you just need to disassemble them and
Yeah, and then it takes 10 minutes to assemble them again, so you
Yeah.
can do it. Thank you for the... Come si dice? Grazie per la dritta.
for the suggestion.
È dall'hamburgeria.
Oh yeah! We found out about these chairs at the Hamburgeria in Mestre, which is an amazing place. This episode is not sponsored by
No,
Hamburger.
absolutely.
It's not, and we're not.
But they do deserve all of the support that we can get.
Yeah, they're opening a new
Amazing.
place. It's a place in Venice
Peter.
where you can get the best burger in town.
Yeah.
Hands down.
Hands down. So you need to give it a try. You need to give it a try. And
When in Venice.
when in Venice, yes.
As you do.
And we found out about these chairs because they have them in the restaurant. So
We were like trying to find chairs for XYZ.
exactly.
But it's hard to find the right chair just looking at a catalog. So
Exactly. And they
you
need
used
to be comfortable. You need to sit down on them for like quite a lot of time. So you need to make it right. And they have great design. You can customize them. They have beautiful colors. And I would really recommend it.
Yeah. Go there to sit on the chairs
Just go there to sit on the chairs and eat the burgers.
if you want to.
And the beer. Oh wait, maybe we cannot say about the beer, but you know what? The beer. It's gonna be the best video ever. The funniest one for sure, you know?
Which one?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
How are we gonna? What title are we gonna put on this video?
So the title is gonna be "He's Out." like it's like.
Let's go. Let's clean up the set. We're gonna shoot the next episode now. Come on, let's do this. Seriously, how are we gonna wrap up this video?
That was what I was trying to do.
You're good at this.
Ready?
I am. Take your time. I know we're gonna have all day.
Do they?
Yeah, apparently.
Maybe they. So,
No hurry.
if you're having fun, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. So if you like the videos and you're having fun, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel as well.
Sounds like a plan. Anything else?
There's going to